Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to invite or add friends in Golf Battle. So first thing you have to do is make sure to download the application, and then let's now open the application. So just tap on that. And here we go. So first thing you have to do is tap on the friends at the very bottom, the fourth one. And for you to add friends or invite friends in Golf Battle, you have to sync your Facebook account to this game, which is the Golf Battle. And you also have to make sure that the friends that you want to invite or add are also your friends on Facebook. So just tap on that so we can sync our account to the Facebook account. So just wait. And then from here, you just have to tap on continue. So just wait for it to load. There you go. You have received a 100 gems because you synced your Facebook account. And now you can start adding friends or inviting friends. So as you can see, there's still no friends yet. So what you're gonna do is just invite people like this one. Just have to accept. And now and here you can tap on the plus signs that you'll see at the sides of each friends that you have on Facebook. So that's it. That's how you invite or add friends in Golf Battle. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!